What if one adhesive could bond to almost everything, even without etching? Hi, I'm Dr. Christoph Talacker. I have a PhD in organic chemistry. I joined 3M right after finishing my PhD. So if you consider, I'm actually still on my first job after more than 20 years. What I love about product development, you're there from day one. From the first lab tests to working with customers, scale-up, studies, and even marketing materials. A real breakthrough for me was when we found a way to create a formulation that bonds to the tooth with or without phosphoric acid etching and to restoration materials without separate primers. That was the moment 3M Scotchbond Universal was born, the first modern universal adhesive. And while we were developing the chemistry, our engineers designed a bottle you can open with one hand, which turned out to be the ideal delivery system for our new adhesive. That's smart packaging meeting smart science. 3M Scotchbond Universal became a huge success. And with 3M Scotchbond Universal Plus, we took universal adhesives even further by adding unique features beyond bond strength: radiopacity, the capability to bond and seal caries-affected dentin in minimally invasive preparations, and a formulation free of bisphenol A derivatives. I am proud to be part of a team that makes real impact for dentists and patients in clinics worldwide.